Hi, welcome. Nice to be here with you. I always enjoy making my videos with you, for you. I am going to try to make a video every day. Every morning I wake up early and I make my YouTube videos for you. And that means a lot to me because the messages I have received from my higher self, your higher self, gives guidance to the lost souls. Welcome to the eternal wisdom. Did you know that the inability to control my and your mind, brain, and reacting to it negatively is linked to a lack of peace of mind? It makes sense saying that a mental abuse by your brain requires a very gentle response. Harmony is a tool we should not be afraid to use. In addition, being right is not always necessary. For example, a verbal battle on the best politician to vote for amongst your friends group is better respecting other people's desires and ideas, because the famous evaluation by Dale Carnegie states that if you are in an argument, the majority of the time, if you win the argument, you lose, and if you lose the argument, you lose. Not sure how valid the statement above is. The writer further states that compliments should accompany arguments whether you lose or win. Next topic. Paranoia is a fear and lack of trust in your higher self, your belief. Your higher self, your belief. You end up attracting detrimental results when you lose trust in your higher self's power. Power is plural. When you live a hurtful situation, you have a decision to make. Stay positive and digest the lesson from the occurrence, or start blaming, getting paranoid, leading to anxiety. Calming your mind is the aim I have. So do not stay easy for you to say, honey. Easy for you to say, son. You don't know the traumas I've lived. Trust me that the more traumas you have, the hurts you have lived in during your human life, the more traumas and hurts you've lived during your human life, the more humble you become as a saint. I don't know how valid it is when I state that it is natural to think people. Saints don't think people because your higher self urges them to eliminate the defect. I'm not sure on how valid that is, but not thinking people is freedom. You don't have anyone to popping up in your mind to get angry at. You don't have someone taking away your attention from important tasks. And other reasons behind it. I don't know how valid it is. That is it for now. I will try to make YouTube videos daily because I received a lot of eye-opening messages from you, and yours, and my divine. The fact that you found my video is a clear sign that you needed to see it. Also, get your hands on my ebook, 108 Eternal Life Guidance, for more wisdom. Your passage time is now. Take care. Bye bye.